Hey YouTube, Greatest of all Texas here, coming back to you with a new FJ Cruiser little maintenance install video. Super quick, super easy. I went ahead and picked up some new hood struts for the FJ Cruiser. They're made by this company right here called Strong Arm, and I bought them on Amazon. I want to go ahead and put them on there due to the FJ having the solar panel on the hood, and also being a 2011, it has started to fail, the trusty old Toyota hood struts. So now I want to go ahead and just show you how to do these two new ones right here, and I'll put a link in the description on where you can get them, so stay tuned and watch. So right now I'm going to go ahead and lift it up and show you what happens with the factory hood struts. As you can see there, it's falling down already. So if you see right there, they're just falling. It's hard, you gotta make sure they lock out, but they're already going down. So if you want something to hit you on the head or crush your hand, then that's what's gonna happen right there. So to prevent this from crushing your hand, I will go ahead and put this trusty wood right here to hold it up. Use whatever you have at home just so that you can get it in a safe position so it won't fall on your head. Now that it's locked in, you can see that there's not going to be any issue of it hitting you on the head. The first thing you're going to want to do is this little clip right here. You want to slowly pop that off, and then make sure you don't lose it or damage it. And once you pop this off, you get it like that, put it in there. Should be one on the bottom part, which I'll move the angle so you can see that a lot better. Let's get that off first. I can't even see it, hold on. So this is the second clip that you want to take off on the bottom of the old hood strut. You just have to pop in your flathead and get it in there. And then once you get it all the way, just hold on to it, and there you go. Now it's off, and then we'll put it in this right here, and should be able to pop off the hood strut. So now we're gonna take this old hood strut off. See if it just comes off. There it goes. This is the old one. Let's compare it to the new ones. So this is the old hood strut right here. You can see it's worn down on the end. It still was working, but it couldn't hold up the weight of the solar panel. And this is the new one by Strong Arm. It has a lot cleaner looking insides right there, which new clips on there. And it's the same high pressure gas contained strut, the same length, which I'll put the part number in the YouTube description. And let's go ahead and get the new ones on. So we're gonna go ahead and put the new one in, and it's super easy. Start off by putting the bottom one in, and then you just snap it in, and then go to the top one, and then there you go. Now it's installed, so we're gonna see how it works when we lower it. So now we're gonna go ahead and take out the safety stick, and you can see the hood's holding up itself before it wasn't, and we're gonna see how it closes. Test that out. It's pretty strong. Can hold the hood up there. Before it couldn't hold it up with the solar panel. So it seems a lot better now. See how it lifts. Holds up strong, there's no issues. I'll check back in time, and if there's any problems I'll let you know, but right now the hood struts are doing their job, holding up the FJ Cruiser hood along with the solar panel on the top, which I'm going to put a new one on. So stay tuned for that video. greatest of all Texas. Another quick install, inexpensive, to keep the FJ in good shape. Make sure you subscribe and check out my Instagram page.